Welcome to the DebtCircle Morning Brief. I am your host, Vijendra. Let's begin with the government securities market. India's government security yield curve is currently showing the 1-year yield at 6.13%, the 3-year yield at 6.59%, the 5-year yield at 6.87%, the 7-year yield at 7.04%, the 9-year yield at 6.94%, the 10-year yield at 7.05%, the 15-year yield at 7.34%, and the 30-year yield at 7.65%. Moving to the United States Treasury market, the 1-year Treasury yield stands at 3.81%, the 3-year yield is 4.10%, the 5-year yield is 4.18%, the 7-year yield is 4.31%, the 10-year yield is 4.46%, and the 30-year Treasury yield is 4.97%. Now let's look at the currency markets. The US dollar is trading at 95 rupees and 66 paise against the Indian rupee, compared with 95 rupees and 37 paise previously. The euro is trading at 111 rupees and 21 paise, compared with 111 rupees and 11 paise earlier. The British pound is trading at 128 rupees and 77 paise, compared with 128 rupees and 48 paise previously. The Japanese yen remains at 60 paise and 60 paise previously, and the Chinese yuan is trading at 14 rupees and 8 paise, compared with 14 rupees and 7 paise earlier. Turning to commodities and market indices, 24-karat gold is trading at 15,622 rupees per 10 grams, unchanged from the previous session. Silver is trading at 2,800 rupees per 10 grams, also unchanged. Crude oil is trading at $97.01 per barrel, up from $93.80. The Sensex is at 73,899.26, compared with 74,649.84 previously. The Nifty stands at 23,274.25, compared with 23,483.55 earlier. Now let's review the primary corporate bond issuances in India. Hero FinCorp Limited has issued 125 crore rupees of bonds with a tenure of 24 months and a coupon of 8.75%. The issue is rated AA+ by CRISIL and AA+ by ICRA. Unifins Capital India Limited has raised 20 crore rupees through a 24-month bond offering carrying a coupon of 13%. NHPC Limited has announced a bond issue of 2,000 crore rupees across multiple tranches ranging from 73 months to 181 months, carrying a coupon of 7.67%. The issue is rated AAA by CARE Ratings and India Ratings. IIFL Finance Limited has issued 100 crore rupees of bonds with a maturity of 877 months and a coupon of 9.9%. The issue carries a AA rating from Brickwork Ratings and Infomerics. Navi Finserv Limited has raised 150 crore rupees through a 67-month bond issue offering a coupon of 11.5%. The issue is rated A by CRISIL. 361 Prime Limited has announced a 1,500 crore rupee bond issue with a tenure of 26 months. The issue is rated AA by ICRA. DAR Credit and Capital Limited has issued 14 crore rupees of bonds with a maturity of 31 months and a coupon of 12.75%. The issue is rated BBB- by CARE Ratings. Early Salary Services Private Limited has raised 110 crore rupees through a 27-month bond issue carrying a coupon of 10.5%. The issue is rated A- by CARE Ratings. Now, the auction calendar. For Treasury bills, the 91-day Treasury bill auction was open for bidding from June 1st to June 2nd, with the auction taking place on June 3rd and settlement scheduled for June 4th. The notified amount is 12,000 crore rupees. The 182-day Treasury bill auction follows the same schedule, with a notified amount of 6,000 crore rupees. The 364-day Treasury bill auction also follows the same schedule, with a notified amount of 6,000 crore rupees. For government securities, the 6.94% Government Security 2036 auction is open for bidding from June 2nd to June 4th. The auction will be held on June 5th, with settlement on June 8th. The notified amount is 34,000 crore rupees. Finally, here are the key events to watch this week. The Treasury Bills auction on June 3rd. The Reserve Bank of India Monetary Policy Committee meeting from June 3rd through June 5th. The Government Security auction on June 5th. The International Conference on Global Financial Markets and Economic Policy taking place in Lucknow on June 6th. The London Stock Exchange Group India Summit 2026 in Mumbai on June 9th. And the IDC Financial Services Summit India on June 12th. That wraps up today's DebtCircle Market Brief. Thank you for watching. Stay informed, stay invested, and we'll see you in the next update.